Fox News' Randy Wembley joins us with the details. Randy, what's going on?
Hey guys, this revolves around the legality of a mailer sent out to voters here in Wayne County highlighting sexual harassment allegations made against Sheriff Ray Washington. There's another twist in the race for Wayne County Sheriff. A judge ruled Wednesday messenger printing service can no longer send out this mailer praising Wayne County Sheriff candidate Walter Epps and slamming Sheriff Ray Washington over sexual harassment allegations which cost the county thousands of dollars.
And the law is very clear. You cannot disseminate, print, or circulate literature that has malicious or scurrilous information about an individual without the true author being named.
Robert Davis, a supporter of Washington, filed suit against Epps, his campaign, messenger printing, and Citizens for a Fair and Positive Government, which is listed on the mailer.
And here, if the individual wants to run for office or seek an election to office, be man or woman enough to tell the voters of Wayne County who is truly paying for this malicious and slanderous literature.
For them to come out and say that I got my money illegally or we raised money illegally and we sent a mailer out by illegal means is just not the case.
Wayne County Sheriff candidate Walter Epps claims subterfuge on the part of Sheriff Washington, however, is.
He has a history of sexual harassment, and now that that information is out, he's doing everything in his power to prove to everyone that that's just not the case.
It was a shock to me that someone would come for me or their campaign and go dirty to try to demonize or criticize or just scandalize my name.
We caught up with Sheriff Washington to get his take on the campaign thus far, the allegations at hand, and the judge's ruling about this mailer.
Illegal things, illegal mailings, illegal broadcasting, but you want to be a law enforcement leader. That it doesn't match. It doesn't add up. I hate dirty politics, and that's why my campaign has always taken the high road on everything. And Michelle Obama told us, when they go low, you go high.
Where do we go from here? We let the people decide. We let the citizens of Wayne County decide who the sheriff should be.
I'm just telling you that just so you.
And voters will decide in a matter of weeks. The primary set for August 2nd. Reporting live in downtown Detroit, I'm Randy Wembley, and this is The Edge.
All right, Randy, so a judge considers this unlawful, but with this information already coming out in the court of public opinion, it's kind of tough to kind of rehab that image. So what happens with the support that Sheriff Washington can get from here on out between now and August?
Well, Sheriff Washington, he still has a great deal, has a lot of support. And on the flip side, Mr. Epps, Walter Epps, he says that voters, they're making their case to voters as well. So we're ultimately going to see how all of this pans out in the primary on August 2nd, how much of a factor these allegations will in fact have in the voting booth, or if they will have any impact at all. Now, these allegations were ultimately dismissed when they were brought up in a lawsuit. They were dismissed, but the county paid off some settlement money to the tune of roughly about $85,000.